This phone has been a workhorse for someone like me, a filmmaker and photographer, over the last year in 2024. Yo guys, what's up? It's Tim from TMC Media, and we're talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As simple as that. I purchased it. I got the 1TB edition. How are we even here? You know, we've got ourselves a camera that can shoot ProRes. It can answer my calls, send text messages, take photos, and store 1000 gigabytes. It's just incredible. I feel like it's the right purchase for me because in many times I've used it for either behind the scenes. I do prefer using obviously my Blackmagic cameras, the cameras that I use in the studio. I've used it for a number of YouTube videos as well, and it does a freaking, I can't swear, but it does a crazy job at producing really high-end video, especially with the Blackmagic app. You can put LUTs on it, you can style it in camera, you can just get the most out of it very quickly and easily. It has autofocus, it can do auto exposure if you want, you can attach a wireless Go microphone to it and vlog. I will still use this as my main vlogging camera. I feel like the R&D, the research and design that goes into the Apple phone is just going to be way more than like DJI or GoPro. They're one of the biggest companies in the world, so they're going to put together put all their technology into it, all their best stuff into it. Yeah, it really shows. So I got the graphite, the black look. I upgraded from a 12 mini to a Pro Max, and I wanted to just get something that would age gracefully. I know all the other colors are flashy and they look cool, but you know, the black on black sort of, especially because it's titanium, so black titanium on the side, it just looks cool. Yeah, it goes with everything. So aesthetics aside, this phone has been an absolute workhorse for behind the scenes, day-to-day usage. I mean, I get through the whole day, and I probably have about 30% battery. That's a whole year's of usage. When I first had it, the first 3 months, I was 50% by the end of the day. It has an amazing battery life because I think it's the 3nm chip. It's got a whole new architecture going on. Sort of one of the reasons why I upgraded too, because it just jumped that next level. It's just like when Apple went to silicon. It's like, you gotta just go for it. I mean, there are people I know who are outstanding photographers and is running a whole business from still like an i9 situation thing where they're using an Intel-based MacBook and it still works for them. And I did mention they're photographers more than videographers and stuff, so they're not really like, their workflow is probably a lot less demanding like the one I have. I get the raw footage, I crush it down, I need that extra grunt, so the Apple Silicon really helps there. So not to go off topic too much, this phone is so fast, snappy, quick. I don't see how they're going to get a 16 to do any much more than this can. Alright guys, it's Tim TC checking in once again. Peace.